Welcome back to Hazzard, everyone. Today we are having our February meet. Couldn't have asked for anything better than a bright blue sunny sky. A little bit cold, need some gloves, but hopefully we're going to see some excellent cars today. Greg's going to do his little thing as usual. I'm going to play with my drone, hopefully get some aerial shots. We'll see. I'm still a learner pilot, so bear with me. And yeah, we'll show you what we've got. See you a bit later. there's another meet. It's been fantastic. I don't know how many cars we had. How many do you think we had, Greg?
Maybe 30, 40, more.
I think 40, 50
Yeah,
cars.
something like that.
Which for a cold February morning is really, really good. We've got some real hardcore people turned up. They don't care about salt on our roads. They'll just wash the underside of their car. It'll be cool. It'll be fine. And they've all turned up and had a great time, hopefully. Next month of March, last March it was snowing.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see how next month goes. But I haven't even got the date of next month's March. It'll probably be the 3rd, actually.
3rd, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, cool. So, next meet will be Sunday the 3rd of March at the Doghouse, Evegate Business Park in Ashford, TN 256SX, I think the postcode is. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This meet has been fantastic. It's only getting bigger and bigger. Everyone's welcome. Pre-2000 cars, any type of car, we're interested to see it. Really, really good. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Hazzard Retros. Make sure you like us on Facebook and follow our page just to keep up to date with everything we're up to. We've got some great plans for the summer. Can't wait for the summer. We've got some really, really good things to go on. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again soon. Bye.